Hello everyone. So we are at Chutes and Ladders, this wonderful park behind us. This is the park right downtown Houghton, pretty much just down the road, and we got the bridge over here. It's the nice lift bridge. So I just came down here. I did a little bit of tuning with the PIDs on my drone. I was just gonna go test it out, fly around. It is a little windy, but mostly just trying to get rid of prop wash, so we'll just see what happens. Just gonna check the exposure on the GoPro, and I think it's already good to go because it's in 5K and got the ND32. It's really sunny, so I think we're good. Let's fly. More like test it. This thing flies so much smoother. This is great. All I did was, I could turn it up a little more, I think, because like all I did was just turn it up maybe like 0.2 on the slider dial because I didn't want to have a flyaway or anything. I think I can just go up maybe one more notch and it's going to be like buttery smooth. So, good job everyone. Okay, so I was just informing the lovely camera woman behind me on this thing that would always annoy the hell out of me. So I installed the Vifly V2 buzzer, I think it is, because you know I didn't want to lose my drone, or if I did, then I want to be able to find it. Basically, there's a snowmobile. Snowmobile. So basically, it always beeps when you unplug the battery because it's like, okay, battery ejected, right? So let's beep so you can come find it. But when you're just trying to unplug the battery and then, you know, get onto the next pack, it's easier if you just unplug the battery, let it turn off for a second, and then plug the battery back in, let the ESCs boot up, and then once the ESCs boot up, unplug it, and the beeper will stop beeping. So you don't have to try to get your finger in there and press the button and do that stuff. So, especially when you're code, you got code fingers. Pro tip. Next battery. Nice and tight. Okay. Battery number 2. Where should I take off from?
You should stand
Your
over.
hand?
No.
It says I have bad link quality, but I think I know how to solve that problem. Pro tip.
Turn on controller.
Switch warning.
Oh, don't worry about that. I feel like it's really beautiful outside. Like the colors are awesome.
Just some GoPro something all over the place. I hope you got that in your room.
Oh yeah, that was sketchy. Yeah, the GoPro 10 is very heavy.
I like the simulation.
This tune is so much better. I was flying such a trash tune. Like now it actually
Still probably are, honestly.
Yeah, because I didn't really change anything. All I did was up the master gain a little bit. Thing's crazy.
We're like, what is that? I feel like that's most of people's reaction. I'm just like, what is that?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Not necessarily like a good or bad reaction, just like confusion. A lot of people will just come here to the park and then leave to the passenger side of the car. Not exactly 2 minutes yet. Although I think this is the car right. Yeah, I'll just stick to the driver's side of the car and all this. I feel like young people don't have as much of an issue with that.
No, because they're just kind of like, whoa, nice.
Like everyone just wants to learn.
Alright, so we're going to put the vertical GoPro adapter on the drone. This is how I do my reels. I throw this on there, turns the GoPro sideways, and then you can get 5K image, but in portrait mode. And then run it through, I run it through real steady on both landscape and vertical, so that way you can get super smooth footage. So yeah, let's put it on. You ready to fly? We got 15 satellites right here. Woo! Just got back. Flew all the way out to the bridge, came back. Yeah. I've never flown a drone that far, so that was kind of fun. Had really good signal the whole way there. Video was clear and radio was good. So, good to know. All good things today. Flying smoother than ever, flying farther than ever. What else could you ask for, really? All right, just flew 4 batteries at the park over here in Houghton, Chutes and Ladders. And can you see the bridge? Somewhere behind me. Yep, flew all the way out to that guy and did not crash. So all in a day's work. So I think that's gonna conclude this video. Hopefully I have more coming for you and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.